You could literally spend hours looking at just cameras here in the Canon booth. So I asked Alex to tell me a little bit more about the M50, as well as take a look at the 6D Mark II. Hey everyone, I'm here at the Canon booth with Alex. Now Alex, I want to talk about Canon's latest cameras in the compact space for our content creators, as well as talk about upgrading to full frame cameras. So what do you have to show to me from Canon?
So Canon has a lot of products with different features and price points. So it's a really great company to start with something small and then slowly upgrade to something a little more powerful. Usually our customers kind of outgrow the features of an entry-level camera. So we're really, really great at doing that with our customers. The newest camera that we have in our mirrorless line is our M50. Really, really exciting new product. It has internal 4K. It has this great flip out screen if you like to film yourself. It has our Dual Pixel Autofocus, which is without a doubt one of the best in the industry. It has face tracking, so if you're filming yourself, you can literally move forward and back. It will follow you. We have built-in Wi-Fi now, which is a really, really important feature, so you can remote control the camera from a distance. You can actually get a window, you can change the settings on it, so really, really amazing camera. Now remember, these ones are all engineered for still photography, but they also have video features inside of them, so they are going to have a lot of photo-centric features inside of them, but the video is really, really nice, especially the new M50 with the 4K. So this is kind of our mid-level one. You can see our lenses, they're a little bit smaller than our traditional one. This is our EF-M mount. Now what's really exciting is you can get an adapter to put our L series EFS lenses on these cameras as well. So if you go that route and you say, okay, I think I've outgrown this a little bit, you might want to consider one of our full frame DSLRs, and this is our entry level one, the 6D Mark II. And again, the standout feature, the flip out screen.
Yep.
So to me, that's really something where if you're trying to build your own Vimeo page or a YouTube page and you need to film yourself, this is the technology you want. You want Canon's Dual Pixel Autofocus because, again, one of the best in the industry. Now, you can take a look at the actual sensor. This is the mirror, but you can see the actual sensor size of the camera is much larger than an M50.
Yeah, the M50 is about what size?
It's APS-C, so it's closer to Super 35 size sensor, and we're talking millimeters difference, but in the sensor, it's a major, major thing with photography. So if you look for our lenses with the red ring around the top, we call them our L series lenses. They'll cover our full frame sensor. So this camera has a full frame sensor in it, and then some of our other ones, our Rebel, our 80D, they're kind of again in that mid level. You're meant to kind of outgrow them and come to this one. So this is our entry level professional. Now I don't want to scare people with professional, but in all honesty, the larger the sensor, the better low light performance you're going to get, the better color reproduction, less moire. So it's once you start shooting these larger sensors, it's hard to kind of pick one of these cameras. It's usually for a very specific feature they're looking for, or they want to get closer with their lenses because the crop sensor brings you in a little closer.
So for our viewers, our creators who are looking to do some studio recording or build their own miniature studio, maybe they can start with 2 of these cameras to give them a 2-camera shoot, but there's some compatibility that they can upgrade to the larger 6D and still just get those increases in functionality as well as quality to give them a really high quality 2-camera shoot in their studio, right?
Absolutely, and you can shoot any way you want, and one thing I've learned from being here is that no customer is the same. Everyone's got their own specific type of workflow, and that's what's kind of exciting about all the different products we have. A lot of people come up to me and say, what's the best product? And that's not really, there's no real answer for that. It's really, what are you doing? And let me show you the different products that can kind of achieve your production needs.
I don't mean to put you on the spot, but I think Canon also offers the video creator kits for a variety of these bodies. I think the M50 as well as the 6D included, right?
Yeah, you can see one here with our Rebel. It comes with a microphone, usually an extra battery, a memory card. So one of those things that you can kind of just go and start creating. Now you could certainly take this camera out of the box and start shooting, but you're always going to need a memory card for it. You're always going to need an extra battery. You're going to want good quality audio. In a lot of ways, audio is as important, sometimes even more important than video. So this is definitely a really powerful tool set, something that you can get easily from Canon.
I love the bundles because it is really ready to go with those extra accessories. Alex, where is the best place that our viewers can get more information about the line of products, including the M50 and the 6D that you showed us today?
So you can go to usa.canon.com, that's our website. We have a new Instagram handle as well where we're showing pro video, so that's at Canon USA Pro Video. where you'll see more behind the scenes type photos of how our products are used in an actual production, and then firmware updates and things like that.
That's great. It's one thing to see the specs of the camera, but it's a whole nother thing to see what the content creators are actually creating and sharing with the world. I think that's a great idea.
Yeah, absolutely. And these are great to look at, but there's no real inspiration. When you see it on set being used by a creator, it starts inspiring other people. They go, oh wow, I'm not doing the same thing they're doing, but I want to achieve a shot like that. So those types of things are really, really valuable, showing how to use our products.
Terrific. This was great. Great overview of the cameras. Thank you so much for sharing with me today.
Thanks for having me.
So for creators looking to get in the market, the new M50 might be the right body for you, but you can also upgrade to that 6D Mark II for full frame capabilities. I'll put links to both of the products below. If you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the FPPad YouTube channel. From the 2018 NAB Show, I'm Bill Winterberg.